One more presentation to go for the night, and it comes from Edwin Allen High School. Welcome back to All Together Sing. After starting with almost 30 choirs, we're down to the top 3. Old Harbor, Bishop Gibson, and as I mentioned earlier, Edwin Allen. They've all worked very hard for a spot in the final round. We're counting down to December 9, so make sure you clear your schedule and get ready for a high-energy, fun-filled family show. I know you've been waiting, so I'll have you wait no longer. Transeamus in Exemplum is the name of this song, and it translates to We Shall Be an Example, brought to you by Edwin Allen High School.
Jamaica, the best we are run on. Lyrical fire, international storm. Tell we actually can't stay calm. We mess up the lift it and perform. Big up every massive and group and come free army. No matter what the training, they never ever leave it. Get you to total, the whole of from fail. Tell it, bullets to feel ignition.
We have the beat to the speed and now. We have a heart that's feeling now. Take the lead, we are take the show. We have the beat to the speed and now. We have a heart that's feeling now. Take the lead, we are taking. Now talk like it's a continental ballistic beside. Bring to us for them to back. Hey, we got this side. It's all this mountain, we shall stand. It's all this mountain, hey, we are all in to the tell them come. How we understand when it's up them around and find them. And see, I must be next them strong.
All I'm blue.
All together sing a shelter. And see, I must be next them strong. All together sing a shelter.
Edwin, love your sound, love your energy, love your stage presence, love your creativity. Over to you, Santa Claus.
I shaved it. It's no longer Santa Claus. That's the baddest choral dancehall I've heard in a while. Wicked.
Well, I'm sure when you think about it, almost 30 choirs and you're in the top 3. You feel good? Yes. Right. I must say that what you have given us here is shown us excellence in choral dancehall. It was beautiful music. And I must congratulate you for all you have done for the whole season. You are champions of the track and champions of the stage. Very good.